Hey, quick question. What if I told you that the single best way to build wealth in the stock market has nothing to do with picking the right stock, timing your entry perfectly, or even having a ton of money to invest right now? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what dollar cost averaging is all about. And honestly, it's probably the closest thing we have to a financial cheat code. So stick around because we're about to break down everything you need to know about DCA, why it actually works, and how you can start using it today. Dollar cost averaging sounds fancy, but here's the truth. It's just investing the same amount of money at regular intervals, no matter what the market is doing. That's it. You could invest $100 every month, $500 every week, or $5,000 every quarter. The amount doesn't matter. What matters is that you're consistent. Think of it like this. Imagine you're buying coffee every single day. Sometimes the coffee shop is busy and charged you $5. Sometimes it's slow and they give you a discount for $3. But you don't care, you just want your coffee. You're buying the same thing regularly regardless of the price. That's exactly what dollar cost averaging does with stocks or ETFs. You're buying more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, but you're staying disciplined the entire time. Here's why this matters. Most people fail at investing because they try to time the market. They wait for the perfect moment or they panic sell when things get scary. But here's what the data actually shows. Even professional investors can't consistently time the market correctly. The S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of about 10% over the last 90 years. But if you missed just the best 10 days during that entire period, your returns would drop dramatically. 10 days, out of thousands. That's how brutal market timing is. Dollar cost averaging removes that pressure completely. You're not trying to be a genius. You're just investing automatically, month after month, year after year. Your emotions don't get a vote. Let me give you a concrete example. Let's say you commit to investing $500 every month for a year, and you're buying into an S&P 500 index fund like SPY. Month 1, the market is strong, and that $500 buys you 2 shares at $250 each. Month 2, the market drops, and your $500 now buys you 3 shares at about $167 each. Month 3, the market recovers, and you're back to buying 2.5 shares. By the end of the year, you've invested $6,000, and because you bought more shares when prices were lower, your average cost per share is actually lower than just doing a random purchase. That's the magic right there. Now, there's something else that makes dollar cost averaging so powerful. Consistency builds wealth faster than you'd think. Let's say you're a 25-year-old and you commit to investing just $300 per month. That's about $10 a day. Over 40 years until retirement, at a modest 7% average annual return, you'd have roughly $1.2 million. Yeah, you read that right. $1.2 million. And you only contributed $144,000 of your own money. That's compound interest working for you while you sleep. And dollar cost averaging is the vehicle that gets you there without stress or complicated strategies. The beautiful part is that DCA works with literally any investment vehicle. Index funds, ETFs, individual stocks if you're feeling adventurous, even crypto if that's your thing. The strategy is universal because it's built on one simple principle. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. And one more thing that people don't talk about enough. Dollar cost averaging is psychologically powerful. When the market crashes and everyone's panicking, you stay calm because you know you're buying at a discount. You're not stressed because you don't need the money tomorrow. You have a plan and you're sticking to it. That peace of mind alone is worth something. So here's my challenge for you. Pick an amount of money you can invest regularly without feeling the pain. Could be $50, could be $500. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account. Choose a simple index fund or ETF, SPY, VOO, VTI, whatever tracks the market broadly. Then, do absolutely nothing. Stop checking the price. Stop second-guessing yourself. Just let it run. That's dollar cost averaging, and that's how generational wealth actually gets built. This is not financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Now, drop a comment down below and tell me, what's the biggest money question you have right now? Hit that like button and subscribe for more investing strategies that actually work. Thanks for watching.